Hey up everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to Albufeira. Now while I'm in Albufeira, I'm staying here at the Brisa Sol 4-star hotel, and you won't believe how much I've paid for it. When I booked this, it was the cheapest that I could get. So I'm going to take you on a tour around the hotel, show you what the facilities it's got and show you a room tour. So if you want to see the cheapest hotel in Albufeira, come on, let's go. And here is the 4-star Brisa Sol. So it's on the top road and it's basically 20-minute walk to the strip, 15-minute walk to the old town. Perfect location, top of the hill. What more can you ask for? Wait till you see the price. Right, so we'll walk in. The first thing we'll see is reception. He's got a bar, but they're not open until 4 o'clock, till 12. These are the acts on. And that is the bar. And then out to a little seating area. Very nice. There's actually a restaurant next door. And then this overlooks the pool area. What I will say though is that bar gets absolutely packed at night. It's very popular. So we've got a games room here. Lots of stuff in it. Even a crazy golf course. Look at this. How cool is that? Inside an hotel. Here you can book a massage. Then here you've got all your holiday information, your return flights, what time they pick you up. So we jet to. Right, I'll take you down to the swimming pools. Oh, swimming pool. So that's the restaurant here in the hotel. It's closed at the minute, so I can't take it in. But basically, this is what it does. And then we'll go out into the swimming pool area. This is really big, by the way. Lovely open space. Plenty of sunbeds. It's even got a little pool for the kiddies, if you want to fetch your kiddies here. And then next to the pool we've got a snack bar and a pool table. Yep, so that's the pool area, really nice. I'll look at the menu. Got some nice views through the fencing over to the ocean, but you'll see that better in my room. Yeah, so that's the pool area. Really nice hotel actually. You won't believe what I've paid for this. And we've got a tennis court stroke football court stroke whatever sport you want to play, and next to it we've got a squash court indoor. That's cool. So that's the outdoor area here at the Brisa Sol 4-star hotel here in Albufeira. Right, I'll go and show you my room. You can see if it's worth the money I paid. So this is my room here in the Brisa Sol. It's just a standard studio pool view room that I booked, and you're not going to believe the price I paid for this. Let me show you around and then I'll tell you how much it cost. Right, we'll start with the wardrobe. Plenty of hanging space, plenty of hangers. You've got some extra blankets there and 3 drawers. So plenty of storage for your stuff. Right, we'll turn right into the bathroom. You've got a really big mirror. Hello everyone. A sink, a bidet. Let me know, does anybody use them bidets? A toilet, and then you have a shower. Not rainfall, but I will say that is really powerful. Quite big as well. I had a shower in there last night and I didn't want to get out. It was so hot and so powerful. Really good shower. So as you come out, you've got another mirror, little shelf, and then a full length mirror here. And in here, you've got a safe which is payable at reception, some more hanging space, brush and dustpan I suppose if you want to do your own cleaning, and 2 chairs. Now you may say, what are them 2 chairs for? Here we have an old-fashioned table, look. Who remembers these from the 70s and 80s? Yep. So there to put your chairs on there. You get a toaster and a microwave. And then you get like a little kitchen area with a sink and a hob. And if we go in the cupboards, you've got all your glasses, cups, plates. You've even got a jug for your sangria. And down below, bigger kettle, pans, and obviously your cutlery, all very clean. And then we'll finish off with a fridge, nothing in it. So I'm only here for 2 nights, so I haven't really bought that and I haven't really used it, but I should imagine if you're here a week and you want to self-cater, ideal, plenty there. Right, you get a nice comfy chair, which is comfy, a table, and a sofa. Little telly on the wall. I'm guessing someone can sleep on that sofa, which would turn it into a 3-bed room, 3-bed apartment. Air conditioning on the wall. I'm going to turn that on actually because it's absolutely roasting in here. And then, I wouldn't say it's a modern headboard, but hey, everybody to themselves. And 2 twin beds. Now the beds are really firm. I mean, I slept really well last night, to be fair, but they are really firm beds. So if you do like a soft bed, you might struggle. And then next to the bed, we've got your telephone, a lamp, and there is 1 plug socket down there. Now I've had to unplug the lamp to use that plug socket for my phone. And you've got your same on the other side. So all in all, the room itself, you know, it's clean, it's comfy, it's quite big, it's a very large room. The cleaners have come in every day, towels changed every day. Like I said, the beds are a bit firm, but apart from that, yeah, it needs a bit of updating. But for the price I paid, yeah, I can't grumble. I can't grumble at this. I'll show you the balcony and then I'll tell you how much I paid. Right, we'll go out onto the balcony. And look at the size of this. It's huge. 2 chairs and a table. And I've got the view. Like I said, this is a studio with a pool view. And that is my view. Not bad, eh? And to make it even better, I can see the sea. So you can't grumble about that, can you? You get the pool and you get the sea. So yeah, all in all, a very good room, a very nice hotel in a brilliant spot. It's like a 20-minute walk, 25-minute walk to the strip, and it's a 10-15-minute walk to the old town in the other direction. So it's bang in the middle of the both. So if you want to do both, it's a perfect spot. So how much did I pay for it? For this room per night, room only, no breakfast, £30 per night. Yep, 30 quid. I mean, how cheap is that? You can't get a 1-star hotel usually for that. This is a 4-star, 30 quid. Can't grumble. Right, I think it's a bargain. So let me know in them comments, have you stayed here? Have you got it any cheaper? Did you pay a lot more? Anyway, thank you for looking around the Brisa Sol with me. It's a lovely hotel and I would recommend staying here, not a problem. Like I said, brilliant spot. Anyway, please do hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. You can follow me over on Facebook, and until the next one, goodbye.